Hi everyone. So again, it is the continuation of impact of jet on mains. So today's sessions it is with impact of jet on mains with the second target. So in the previous sessions we have discussed about the first targets. It's about fixed targets. So in today's class it's with the injured targets and the moving targets. So what you are having in the injured target, the name only says it's hinged. It is nothing but the one end is fixed and other end will be free. So we have to find out what is the force is going to be takes place. What is the impact is going to be changed. So to know that, here we have a derivation. We can see that there is a pipe, nozzle and a jet of water which is coming out from the pipe. Here there is a plate. The upper end plate is fixed and the bottom end the plate is moving. No, it is completely free. It is nothing but if anything is going to touch us, it will move. So when the top end has been fixed here, now the jet of water which is coming out from the pipe, when it strikes, so we have to see what is the velocity which is coming out from the pipe. That is the initial velocity is v. When it is coming out as a jet, when the plate is in when it is at equilibrium, when it is at rest condition, when the jet which is going to strikes it, the upper end is fixed and the bottom end is free. So here the plate is going to be tilted for some distance and some angle. But we don't know what is the angle of inclination. That will be called as theta, the angle of inclination which has been moved with respect to the velocity of v. And the distance, we can see here the distance from the top end at the center of the plate is x. But what you are getting exactly at the center, if you are just drawing a straight line, it won't be the center because it has been traveled for some distance and the distance has been changed. So instead of x, it will become h. So that the total distance is h, but now the distance has been increasing because of the inclination. So now after this, here Fn is equal to rho a v square sine theta. That represents it is the normal force which is acting perpendicular to that. Means we have discussed that when the plate is inclined, and when the fixed targets alli ನಾವು ಒಂದು normal to the plate ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ force ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. That is Fn is equal to rho a v square sin theta. So now we know what is the normal force when the plate is inclined. But here the first we can see that when it is at stationary conditions, we have discussed for three different types of plates. One is vertical flat plate, that is nothing but both ends are fixed. Other one is inclined plate, again both ends are fixed but the plate is inclined. And we have discussed with the curved plate also. But here we can look over that the hinged plate will be working as the flat vertical plate as well as the inclined plate. So we have written Fn is equal to rho a v square sin theta, and theta dash represents 90 minus of theta. Andre theta dash na 90 minus of theta anta ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. And what you will get Fn rho a v square sin of 90 minus theta. Then you will get that will be as rho a v square cos theta here. Then moment of Fn with respect to the point O andre adu ಎಷ್ಟು distance travel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ from the center of the point O, we have to find out what is the moment. So to find out the moment, it is simple thing. We know that it is force into perpendicular distance. So the force is Fn into the perpendicular distances which has been travelled up to O to B. Then rho a v square cos theta, and remember it, we can just write down what is the trigonometric functions in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So cos theta from the sketch. So first of all, cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse, and sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So cos theta, adjacent is OA, hypotenuse is OB. Then sin theta, here again in the sketch A dash C, opposite, then adjacent is OA dash. So we have just written this, cos theta is equal to OA by OB, adjacent by hypotenuse. Then if you want to find out what is the distance of O to B, then OB is equal to x by cos theta. O to A is x. ಅದನ್ನ substitution ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, rho a v square cos theta into x by cos theta. ಆಗ cos theta both will get cancelled. You will get the moment will be as rho a v square x. The next moment of self weight W with respect to point O. Again ಆಗುತ್ತಾ W into A dash C. So A dash C ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is the distance which has been moving the self weight of the plate. So sin theta we know that opposite by hypotenuse, that is A dash C by OA dash. Then we have to find out what is A dash C, then it is OA dash into sin theta. So OA dash is nothing but it is x. So x into sin theta. So just substitute the W into x into sin theta. So call this will be as equation 2. So we'll be having the equation 1 will be as the moment, that is rho a v square x, and equation 2 is wx sin theta. So just substitute equation 1 and 2, then you will get rho a v square x will be equal to wx sin theta. So x another same distance, so it is there on RHS as well as LHS. Both x will get cancelled. Then rho a v square is equal to w sin theta. But if you want to find out w is equal to rho a v square by sin theta. So this is the equation to be remembered when the vertical, when the injured target alle equation ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ, that is w is equal to rho a v square by sin theta. Yeah, the next we'll go with the numericals of injured target. So that is the first problem we can look over here. A jet of water 2.5 centimeter diameter. You can see that previous sessions were discussing with respect to numericals. The jet diameter will be given in terms of 75 mm, 100 mm. The units will be given in terms of millimeter. Now in this numerical it is centimeter. Sometimes it will be given in terms of meters. So first we should convert all, it should be in terms of meters. Then we can substitute all the parameters in unit in terms of meters. Then it will be easier to do it. So 2.5 centimeter, it is nothing but 2.5 by 100. Moving with the velocity of 10 meter per second, velocity is given. Strikes a hinged square plate of weight 98.1 Newton at the center of the plate. The plate is uniform thickness. Find the angle through which the plate will swing. Andre ಎಷ್ಟು angle ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It is nothing but we should find out what is the theta value. So we know that w is equal to rho a v square by sin theta for injured plate. So w that we have to find out, as well as rho is nothing but we know the fluid is water, and a diameter is given, v velocity is given, theta we should find out. So to find out that, w is also given 98.1 Newton. So the unknown is only theta. Just substitute here, w is equal to rho a v square by sin theta. But before that, you should convert all the parameters in SI units. Then you can substitute. Then you will get w is equal to rho a v square by sin theta. Then theta will be 30.02 degree. Yeah. Next numerical. A jet of water 30 mm diameter strikes a hinged square plate with at center with a velocity of 20 meter per second. The plate is deflected through an angle of 20 degree. Previous problem alli angle na find out ಮಾಡ್ದೋ, but ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ angle ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Find the weight of the plate if the plate is allowed to swing. ಅಂದ್ರೆ previous problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ weight ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, angle find out ಮಾಡ್ದೋ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ weight ನ calculate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What will be the force required at the lower edge of the plate to keep the plate in vertical direction? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು, task you to find out what is the weight of the plate, as well if it is in equilibrium condition, if both the ends should be fixed instead of injured plate, if it is not going to be tilted, what is the force which is required at the bottom end to maintain, to keep in vertical position. So here we have to find out that, and before that we should write the sketch now. Here the velocity is given 20 meter per second and the total height is h. So here we should find out what is the weight of the plate, and we should find out what is the P, the force which is required at the bottom end of the plate to maintain a vertical direction. So note down the given data. B that's given, but millimeter, but you should keep it in meters. 30 mm, 35,000. Velocity theta is given, W and Fn should be calculated. So W is rho a v square by sin theta. Then just do the substitution. You will get W is 826.61 Newton. So W ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. Next, moment at point O. ಅಂದ್ರೆ O ಇಂದ movement ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So we should know what is the force into perpendicular distance. So that is F into h by 2 is equal to P into h. It is nothing but F is the force at the center of the plate. It is nothing but the total height is h. If it is at center, it will become h by 2. That is F into h by 2. Horizontal is the force, vertical is the distance. Again, the bottom end, P is the horizontal force and h is the vertical distance. So F into h by 2, P into h. That is F into h by 2 is equal to P into h. So both the h will get cancelled, then P is equal to F by 2. So one the condition is so P is equal to F by 2. So the next, if you want to find out what is the force in x direction, that what you have substituted as F. that is rho AB square, because it should be in vertical position, because what we have discussed in the fixed target about the first condition. So we have find out that Fx is equal to rho AB square. Just do the substitution. 1000 into pi by 4 d square into 20 square. Fx is 282.72 Newton. So we got what is the F value. Then if you want to find out P is equal to F by 2 from that condition. Then P is equal to F by 2, 282.72 by 2, then P is 141.36 Newton. It is nothing but what the plate has been tilted for 20-degree angle. Instead of that, if it should be in 0, if it has to maintain in vertical position, then the force which is required at the bottom end of the plate to maintain in equilibrium condition with respect to vertical direction, you will get P is equal to 141.36 Newton. ಅಂದರೆ 141.36 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಂ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Next with impact of jet on next with impact of jet on wings for moving targets. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೋ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಂಜ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ಸ್. The next the third one is about the moving targets. So again in the moving targets